飛到咧，飛到天上 ，and then you add another syllable。就係離開啊。So here we omit 天上 or 天飛到上天上 ，OK？ we just say 飛到咧離開月球最近嘅地方 ，because we already know that she is flying，OK？Of course, she flying up，OK？Not flying down. So we can omit the 天上 ，OK？We can omit the final location because she hasn't chosen the final location. She chose the moon，OK？ 佢就飛到咧離開地球最近嘅月亮。So you can see this is a quite long sentence， 係嘛？And then we omit someone， 佢咧就飛到天上一笪咧離開地球咧最近嘅地方就係月亮啦OK， so now you see the 離開。When you can say when your wife asks you are you coming back？ 我離開咗 office 啦，我離開咗我離開咗公司啦 ，OK？ 我上咗車啦 ，OK？So this 離開 can mean left or leaving。Here it means a distance，OK？ 呢度同呢度嘅距離，我離開咁遠，距離咁遠，你哋識距離。你識佢就飛到，佢咧就飛到咧距離地球最近嘅地方就係月亮啦。just like 距離。Yeah. But you can also say 距離。距離就 really the distance 啊。But sometimes you can also say 離開 for 距離啊。Maybe colloquial we just sometimes can use different ways of saying it。OK？So you can say 距離啊。佢就飛到咧距離月亮最近嘅距離地球最近嘅月亮。OK？So 月亮啦，見到月亮就係最咧means closest in English. OK？You have the more and most, right? Then this is the most. OK？The longest, the nearest. OK？ 就最近啦，最靚 the most beautiful. OK？The longest 最長 OK？ 最啦。or you can say 我最中意廣東話啦，最 means I the most I love Cantonese the most OK yeah so 最啦 OK so continue yeah fly up to the heaven 咁佢就飛上天啦，天就 heaven 啦。Actually, and then 嗱上面咧就 above， 飛上咧上咧就 this tone 雙上面咧就係 tone 6， 上咧就 tone 5。So 我飛上去，我行上去means an uprising action OK 企上啲啊 that means you stand higher OK so higher or stand up higher or rising higher then that is the tone 5 上 OK yeah 飛上係啦usually after a action 飛 is the action and then 上 means flying up OK just like your preposition yeah So the difference between tone 5 and tone 6上面 OK for example 上課 also 啦上課 that means you are having a class 上課嘅上咧take the place of a verb and action that means you are taking a class you are going to have a class so we just say 上堂上課 it is also 上 OK tone 5 OK so continue嗱嗰度約嗰啲咧嗰度 mean there OK the moon there OK and then 成為神仙喎嗱成為 means become 神仙咧就係神仙 Actually, the English concept you don't have 神仙, right? You only have saints, okay? Those good people they will become saints, okay? But Chinese there are many 神仙, and then you can say it is gods, but there are many gods. So the after dying, the good people or great people can become a god, okay? So you can say it is a gods, okay? Yeah, 神仙啦。就成為神仙啦，成為 means become。咁咧佢就飛咗上月亮嗰度就成為神仙啦。Of course, when she start flying, she already become a 神仙啦。Otherwise, she cannot fly. Okay, so now she after eating the exiliate, she become immortal. So she has already attained a status of a god, and then she can fly up to the moon, and then now she become a 神仙啦。A goddess, because she's a woman, a goddess, right? Yeah, okay. Continue. Here, 後羿知道太太飛咗上天 ，okay? So previously we can omit the 上天啦。Here we mention 上天啦。So sometimes you can omit something, sometimes you can make clear because when 嫦娥咧 is flying 咧 ，of course we know that she is flying up to the heaven. Here 咧when her husband 後羿咧 heard about her flying up, okay, that we mention he heard that now he knew that his wife has already flown up to where? Flown up to the heaven, flown up to the sky, okay? So 飛咗上天啦。嗱，佢都識天堂喎 ，because in Chinese concept we believe that all the gods gods and goddess or godly figures they are in the sky, somewhere in the sky. We seldom call it as 天堂 like the Western belief because in the Bible it clearly states that there is a heaven, right? Yeah. So you think that after dying you go to heaven, right? But usually we just say we fly up to the sky, or we become the goddess somewhere in the sky. So we just say 天堂，我 just say 話佢飛咗上天咯，我喺天度做緊神仙啊，佢而家喺天度好安樂啦But we don't say 天空喎，如果天空咧 usually you just mention for example you see a bird is in the sky 天空度有隻雀仔喎，天空有隻大雀飛過喎咧，天空 is just a space that any animal or any flight can be seen by the human beings. But those gods and goddesses are something very maybe hidden in the sky that you cannot see. Okay, so that is 天啦。Okay, so we seldom say 天we seldom say that the gods are in the 天空 or in the 天堂。We just say 佢哋喺天度，天上邊天上邊嘅神仙we seldom say 天堂嘅神仙嘅喎。Yeah, okay, continue. Yeah. 後羿知道唔係遲到知山知道。遲咧就係遲到咧就遲生，遲咧 means late。我遲到啦 ，I'm late sorry OK。知道就 means know OK。後羿knew that his wife has flown to the moon. Okay, so now continue. Okay, 知道yeah. 嗱，佢就想去追過月亮。So here, 追咧 means when you want to catch someone or something leaving before you, so you have to catch up啦。Okay, you have to run and then to catch someone。Okay， that is 追啦。 but 追女仔啦，you want to date a lady 啊，you can also say 追佢嘅喎，追女仔 because maybe I don't know whether it start from Hong Kong or from Chinese culture because in the past the men doesn't need to 追女仔嘅喎，if they have money they just send money send someone to say that I want this lady okay yeah and then if you are from the poor family then you have to let them get you okay yeah you cannot resist okay is it clear hello 嗱追咧 that means you want to catch something maybe in front of you so 你追啦你追架車the car is in front of you you need to catch the car okay maybe the police okay need to catch the car or sometimes we say 追女仔啦when you want to date a lady then you have to 追啦modern days the men needs to maybe use some tactics okay and then to successfully date the lady then we say 追 it doesn't really mean that you run after her but in some movies in some Hong Kong movie you might have seen that the man really is running after the lady because the lady reject refuse and then she ran away and then the man also went after them then that is maybe that is why this meaning comes 追女仔啦 okay and then there is also a movie called 追女仔精裝追女仔 is a very famous Hong Kong movie okay yeah but I think maybe it is from the Hong Kong culture and then inherited from the maybe European culture I don't know because in Chinese culture usually the men did not 追女仔because usually they use money or power or strength or anyway okay they don't need to 追my father hasn't 追 my mother okay but all my brothers okay if they mean more or less my age they have to 追女仔 okay so okay that is 追okay so here it means that 後羿咧追唔到老婆 means it is the meaning of catching up her okay because she has flown up already so he cannot catch her